cars, AGS branded batteries, as well as other automotive components, including the recycling of non-ferrous metals. Power generation that addresses the growing energy needs of the nation. Provision of unique insurance solutions, as well as investment schemes, mutual funds, and pension products. Distribution and sales of world-renowned brands of office equipment, medical systems, and power generation equipment. Capital markets, real estate, and warehousing. Resourcing of raw materials, parts, machinery, and equipment through international offices. Atlas is a beacon of light for the development of Pakistan's industrial and financial landscape. It has 3 joint ventures with Honda Motor Company and has the distinction of being the oldest joint venture partner of GS Yuasa. The group also has joint venture with Denso of Japan, with an aggressive focus on research and development and working with world-renowned companies such as MAN, GE, Canon, Pitney Bowes, Showa, FCC, Keihin, and Tideland. Atlas is firmly established as a technology and knowledge leader in Pakistan. Development of the people of Pakistan is the cornerstone of the Atlas Way. Atlas directly employs over 10,000 professionals and indirectly provides livelihood to over 50,000 people through its partner network of distributors, dealers, mechanics, and service providers. Atlas Foundation leads CSR activities in the healthcare and education sectors, with the belief that what comes from the society should be shared with the society. Atlas has institutionalized its values and management structure, providing a sense of active participation at every level, from grassroots to the very top. Driven by the ambition of making Pakistan self-sufficient and prosperous, every member at Atlas strives for excellence, upholding the spirit of development, generation after generation.